Hey guys, it's me, Jay Woods. I'm here with this quickie tutorial using the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. If you want to see if I got this, keep on watching. First, I went into Suntan, and I really just packed that into my crease area, sort of on the lower part of the crease. I just sort of packed it in and pressed it in. Then I went into Sun Down, and I actually just went over the edges just because I really wanted to soften them up just so that you can get that nice like little gradient. I absolutely love how that looks. These two colors together, oof. Then I went into Deep Dive. Now, I love Deep Dive. I fucks with it so much. It is such a beautiful black shade just because it isn't too dark. It's not giving you emo. It's not giving you Fall Out Boy. It's not giving you, I'm in love with an emo girl. It's just like nice and soft, if you get what I mean. Then I went into Rhodium. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I just sort of pressed that over. It just helped give it a little bit more shimmer. Just to make it more, I don't know, cute. Then I went into Silk, and I actually mixed Silk with this Inglot Line. Basically, what this does is it just really helps, like whenever you have like a glittery shadow, just helps to show up more. But I actually didn't really like how it looked. I felt like it came out too dark, so I went into this ColourPop palette and I just added that lighter shade over it, and I really feel like that helped brighten it. It just really brought the look together. I don't know, it made it look so good. Then I mixed these two shades, which is Suntan and Sundown. Then I looked up. I'm giving you BJ eyes, but I swear this helps you blend it out better. And then I got the Natasha Denona, not Natasha, oh my god, this is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. So I just did a cat eye with that. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I went into, I believe this is the e.l.f. Hydrating something concealer. I will put it down below with the shade and all that. But I absolutely love applying concealer. It's like one of my favorite parts, as weird as that sounds. I don't know, there's just something so satisfying about watching someone blend out their concealer. I absolutely love it. And I just set it with, I believe, the Charlotte Tilbury powder. And then here I am using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Bronzer. And I'm just using that. And then I went into Mary Duminizer. This freaking liquid luminizer is everything. Just look at how that looks. Oof, it's like soft, but it's bright, but it's beautiful. It looks like natural. I love it. Then I went into the Cover FX blush, which honestly, I'm a little bit conflicted about this blush. Do I think that it's pretty? Yes. But when I use the shimmery side, I feel like I have to go into it like 15 million times just for it to show up. Okay, anyway, this is the MAC Soar lip liner, which is one of my favorites. So I'm clearly just lining my lips, mostly just doing the outside parts of my lips. Then I'm going into this liquid lipstick. This is the NYX Double XL Lingerie. I will put the shade down below. This is a matte liquid lipstick, but I actually took my High Key Gloss by Kimchi. I actually just put that in the middle and then I blended it out and it made my lips look really, really juicy. But here we have our finished look. I absolutely love it. I love the fact that it's smoky, but it's still nice, soft, and natural. But hopefully you did enjoy this look, okay? But also make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.